Hey guys, so today I'm cooking four-course meal, simply for comforting and super double even. You're just learning your way around the kitchen, so let's get started. First, I'm doing some appetizer, ham and cheese crostini. Now I am putting the butter, olive oil, and the ham. After that, after I doing the this method, I will toast it to the toaster, but I am using baguette, and right now I'm putting cheese on top to make more delicious, the food are getting more delicious. um, and then so I will put in on the toaster so the bread will be crisp. We will add some crisp, and also to add smoke flavor to the bread. And after I put it on the toaster, we will wait just for just a few minutes to toast it. So while waiting, I'm just preparing my food tong. So I will use that to get my bread. So we will lessen the hazardous. And right now I'm getting a plate because I need to get the bread, but I forgot something. So I got the yellow plate instead, and checking the bread, if it's okay. And yeah, I think it's okay. So we'll just wait for just a few seconds. So pwede na siya. Kukuhanin na natin. Yeah, we will transfer it to a plate para ready na siya for plating na. And that's how you get your appetizer. So this is the finished product. Look at how gorgeous is that. And next one, um, we will cook soup, creamy mushroom soup. First, I'm stirring the broth, and I will put some chicken stock on there. So as you can see, and after that, I will stir the soup, and add my chopped mushroom. Yeah, see the chopped mushroom, and after that, we will just wait for a while. So we will need to transfer it na because it's done. And that's how you create your mushroom soup. Look at how gorgeous that. And the next one is we will cook our main course, which is chicken carbonara. First, we will saute our garlic and a lot of onion. And after that, we will try to mix it up. And after that, we will put our mushroom. Sorry, it's bacon Alfredo. Um, After that, we will put one stick of butter. Yes, and try to melt that butter. Um, we just wait for a minute to combine those ingredients that we are putting in. After that, the slice bacon. As you can see, we are combining different ingredients. So when you cook bacon alfredo pasta, it's originally from Italy, but I am making a creamy version. Most of us, I cook pasta first, then fry up some bacon until it's crispy. So uh, now we will put some chicken stock again. We just lower the heat first. Nice. And we will mix it up so the ingredients will combine to each other. Look how easy it is. Now I'm mixing the sauce that I will make. Yan. Continue lang tayo sa paghalo. Wow, look at how gorgeous is that. Yan. Mix lang tayo. Until medyo lumambot yung ating mga ingredients na nilagay. Maging matamis yung sibuyas since nakaka-caramelize na siya. And maging soft yung kanyang garlic. And now we will put our cream. That's our cream. And then we will put some evaporated milk. We just need to open that can so we can put, and after we put that cream, we're just trying to stir it and wait until it's done. Yes, as you can see, it is getting start to simmer, and then we will put some white pepper on that, and then try to stir it again. Look how gorgeous is that. Wait until it become more thicker. We just need to boil the sauce. And then we will stir it again. And we will add our grated cheese for more extra creamy. Wow. We will try to put it all of that cheese so our sauce will be more creamy. Look how nice is that. It's very easy dish that you can make it on your own, especially at your house, instead of buying in the market or in a restaurant. You just need to easily cook it in your house if you know how to cook. It's just a basic thing to do if you are really want to learn how to cook. So again, we will wait until it's getting starting to boil, but not too much because our cream will be um we don't want to burn the sauce because it's getting bitter and the texture is not good. And I am right now I'm checking the thickness of my sauce, and I think it's good, it's beautiful. um but I'm just continue stirring the sauce. After I put the cheese, um it gives more creamier because of the milk base. So yun, wait lang tayo ng ilang minutes pa to create that sauce. And now turn off the heat, and we will put our bacon alfredo on a plate. Plating na tayo. Nilalagay ko na yung sauce. Yan. Lalagay na natin siya. Dahan-dahan sa lahat ng especially on the middle. Put natin yung mga toppings niya para mas masarap siya. Yan. After that, we will put the bacon on top. Wow. And next one is the dessert. We will put our fruits on a big bowl. After we put all the fruits, there's different kind of fruits. We have chopped pineapples, cherry, peach, and nata de coco, and papaya. After that, add the heavy cream and the condensed milk. Combine and then mix it up. We need to be careful by putting our cream because kailangan sakto lang siya, not too creamy, not too dry, just perfect amount. And then we will put our grated cheese for extra creamy lang ng konti, linamnam ng lasa. Kailangan natin mag-put ng maraming cheese, and then halo ulit tayo. Yan, ganyan lang guys, napakasimpleng method to how to do a fruit salad. Kapag gusto nyo matutong magluto, willing kayo matutong magluto, madali lang pong magluto. Yan. After that, plating na tayo. Transfer na natin sa isang bowl para may serve na natin ang ating fruit salad for our dessert. Ayan na po guys. Lalagyan lang natin ng grated cheese on top para mas maganda siya tignan for our plating. Ito na. Yan. Ngayon nalagyan na natin. And that's how you make fruit salad. It's very delicious and very easy.